Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Jeremy Zucker, I Need You. So this one is a great song here, and we have very common chords in this song here, so that's great. If you want to practice these, this is a song for you. So I Need You, we need to set our capo here on the first fret here to have the easiest chords possible for that song. So capo on first, and let's go with the chords. First off, we have this C-G chord. All right, that's a C, but with a G in the bass. Gets a little bit darker, like that, like it is in this song. So it goes third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. The next chord is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have the standard G chord. Alright, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so we'll look at one strumming pattern that works through the entire song. Sometimes it's not used for a couple of seconds or so. It's just straight downs, what I remember from this song. But just to keep it simple and a little bit straightforward here, this strumming pattern works pretty much like 98% of the song. So that will be enough to just go over this strumming pattern. So let's do that with the C-G, since that is the first chord. So grab that one. So this is the rhythm here, and this is how it goes. Okay, that's one round. So it will be down, clap, clap. So you play down, clap, down together, and then short pause, and then comes the final clap with after the down there, and then it goes like that round and round. So a couple of rounds of it to get the feeling for the rhythm. Sounds like this. And so on. All right, so let's go over different parts here. We have the verses. They're playing in the same way, both verses here. So you're gonna play the C-G chord for 2 strumming rounds, and then the D for 2 strumming rounds. That is one short chord combo there, these 2 chords, and you're gonna play them for 2 rounds. So C-G2, D2, C-G2, D2. That is a verse. So you're gonna play like that for both verses in this song. So, like this. Alright, and that takes us to the chorus parts here. We have 3 different, we have 3 choruses. They are all the same, just a little bit different in how many rounds you're gonna play them. So it's very easy now. You're gonna play the E minor 1 strumming round, then the C-G1, then the G1, and D1. All right, so one chord progression goes like this. All right, so for the first and second chorus, you're gonna play 4 rounds of this in the first chorus, and then 6 rounds in the second chorus. All right, so why I just mentioned the first and second is because it goes verse 1, chorus 1, verse 2, chorus 2. Then after chorus 2, we have this post-chorus part. It's played right after the second chorus there. And this post-chorus part, you're just gonna play in the same way as you play the verse. So it's the C-G 2 times, D 2 times, and this combo you could do for 2 rounds. So exactly the same as a verse. And after this post-chorus part comes a bridge part. All right. And this bridge part, you're just gonna play exactly in the same way as you play the chorus play. All right. So the E minor, C, G, G, and D, but you play that for only 2 rounds. And this is the part where I believe it's a little bit more just downs here, perhaps not this rhythm, not at least from the get-go. It comes later in the bridge, not sure, but just go with the simple strumming we learned for this song and that will be perfect. So just to mention here, after the second chorus comes this post-chorus part, verse play for 2 rounds. Then right after comes the bridge part, it's the chorus play for 2 rounds. And then after this bridge part comes the final chorus part. So that's why I left that till the end. The final chorus you will play in the same way as previous courses, but now you will go back to only 4 rounds. And that is pretty much how Jeremy's I Need You ends. So pretty much 4 different chords, simple chords, 1 simple strumming pattern, and that's it. You're set for I Need You. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Leave me some feedback on this and play tuned.